Hangxing Washing Machine Co. Limited focuses on developing and producing complete industrial washing equipment. With mature technical support and a comprehensive production system, we are dedicated to providing high-quality product solutions for our clients. The company covers an area of 19,800 square meters and is equipped with more than 120 advanced machines, ensuring precision in production processing and continuously improving our technological standards. We have introduced advanced CNC laser cutting machines, wire cutting CNC processing equipment, modern shearing machines, bending machines, large-scale acid phosphating equipment, and automated spraying production lines to provide high-quality processing services to meet market demands. In terms of production capacity, Hangxing possesses strong customization capabilities, allowing flexible adjustments based on the specific needs of our clients. Throughout our years of development, we have remained committed to enhancing technological innovation, improving production efficiency, and ensuring product quality, steadily strengthening our industry position. Hangxing has obtained ISO 9001 and UCE safety certifications. We use energy-saving motors and intelligent control systems to reduce energy consumption and enhance our products' overall performance and lifespan. With a stringent quality control system, we ensure the reliability of every piece of equipment that leaves our factory. We continuously enhance our R&D efforts and actively introduce new technologies to adapt to the rapid changes in the market. We adhere to a customer-centric approach, regularly collect client feedback, and strive to improve product performance and service quality to meet and exceed customer expectations and satisfaction. Looking ahead, Hangxing will continue to uphold the spirit of innovation, leading industry development, and creating exceptional value for more clients.